How to change your TikTok reason. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. At the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of profile. You will land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Under content and display, you will find the option of content preferences. Click on it. Now click on this option. Refresh your For You feed. Want a fresh start? Click on continue. Click on refresh. Now head back. Head towards settings and privacy page. Now under content and display, you will find the option of language. Click on it. Now head towards this option of preferred languages. Over here, you're going to find tons of language options. On the basis of the country that you want to set for your TikTok account, you have to select the language. I will be selecting Portuguese. Now click on done. Now you can head back to your For You page. On the basis of language you have set for your TikTok, now you will be getting TikTok videos from that region. So this way you can change your TikTok region. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.